For people. For vehicle. Henry, peace more just come down.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
Get now. 11 minutes. Yo. Yeah, me soon, man. I got work, you know? More police them there. Like I got into one of them one day.
I see volume of water on the road. I saw no so good.
Where's up Peter? There's no open water picture.
Picture for the good. I don't want to live on the road. I want to breeze again. That's it. You see a man at me say a while ago.
And I walk the road, it out there, look for any local road block or any local tree in the area, we'll cut them down, stone, we'll move them out of the road, and we'll clean up and thing. Right now, I first, me see, from me born, at the first me witness, you can say majority of the community and other work surrounding in the community, workplace surrounding in the community, at the first me witness so much people come out, cover clear the road.
Oh yeah, the live or black?
Black. Come out and clear the road. I first me see this.
What you think I'm seeing here, but I got to get
no? You don't have money to get more than one shovel. No? And if the shovel too small, I get a loss. Yeah, right, you know. I don't give me nothing out of video alone, not even 1 minute and a year one. But me a pay for. If you walk in the backside of my video, show backside. See there, and the general there, two of you actually the road I go and see where I go and look down in the town. Town no look so bad. See a one landslide round so like a damage that. See there? Round so. Like some dirt come down on the side there. See? Far side. Me eye good enough. Look at dirt come down there so. See a one car part there like a black car. I know with the pie road see me I try to go down. We walk at least 10 miles. I would about 8 miles out of it right now. We walk and check your road to see what kind of damage going and what we can clear so car can pass. If I even one lane, see? From the wall to the white line here, one lane. They say as long as one lane free, in a local emergency, like if anybody family member sick or anybody want to get rushed to the hospital, one side of the road clear. That's the code right now. So they may look stone there. The man them are forward behind the way or up on the road. Them are go shovel off them. That's the code. So right now we approach to where we see when me know say half of one wall behind one house tear down and block off a big section of the road. And that's where me I go right now. And my sister supposed to run there. So around there me I go. Make sure say my sister alright and thing. That's the code. So we have to take time to try the road go around there. So for our most of the part them where normally when every rainfall, when most of the part them normally come down and block the road, I know them come down. Some of them are where people fast with. Like put here how me see and know, and people they go dig it out to put house there and water commission stop them. So them dirt they come down across the road, manpower move it, and some of the gully them never clean. The man them at the last minute, the man them go ahead and them start to clear some of the place them. All of them never clear it, so some of them block up and water and go there say water take the road feet, run gully, carry down a few stones. But that's how you go still. Live and you learn. We give and take in enough things sometimes. Because majority of the places when I look for say, yo, we are so black, them no black. So God, Father God just hold up your hand and take care of your kids them, you know. That is it. So look on that one here, for example. The culvert here black up, you know. See? The culvert here black till it full. So me I show you. And look, you know, this full. Some might come on the road. I don't know how badly it damage the road, how it full up the road as yet down on the level. But based on what I see a few boulders come down and just some dirt full of around here. So I don't know about the rest of it because I can't see around the corner. But I just can't talk about what I see. Alright, reach on the corner here now. You can see a big mud up on the ground. Vehicle can drive through it, you know. But you gotta clean some of it and do as best as we can do. Some might not catch on camera. I don't know if phone low up on space, but we are gonna do as much as we can do. Round here so now, I don't know why I'm gonna cross this, you know. Cause crooks me have on. And I slide already. But so I'm gonna go across me and show them how I'm going. And so I go on. Can't go down no more. For people. For vehicle. Henry, piece more just come down. Tractor Avil, get involved. Now in a big highway.
Not even a piece of this we can
So when you call John or call nobody yet?
Yeah, we're clear from Papi.
You ain't call John or anybody yet? Tell him, man.
But the one that they be telling the one that even from the wall.
Which one?
The one you're even from the wall.
No, that not up on the wall.
No, over to the next building over there.
Over the one way over so?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a different building. From the one here, alright, me alright. That me know. The rest of them can go and the rest of them live to a spot. I see something, you know. You know, so me last time I come up here, I link Jerry for well something up there, so me hear something enough to lean on the wall around the back around there, so. Serious something, you know, the day when we had dig the wall there, so. How much phone call make a foreign for we had dig the wall there, so. Serious something, they live too bad. The last time I come to dig the wall, remember the day? And we have to call Jerry, we a country, back and forth with phone call if we will start digging. They live too bad, brother. And when they want to fly boat to bar, then come and call Jerry. Let no one board now. They get too frequent, man. Yeah, the piece said he crack.
And then the wall was
Right now, nothing now hold that house. Nothing now hold that in.
see more like this. More like here then.
Nothing now hold a piece of house right there, sir. Nothing now hold a piece of house right there, sir. This. You see 3/4 hit the foundation fee come down. The scaffold now go come down because they lock in at the building then. Jerry won them, they lock in at the building. And for them one? No? No, no, they pan it. You know they pan it, man. You know they pan it. The scaffold them up there, them they up the long before the building go there. Them they lock inside a Jerry house. All of them bolt up inside.
Mine just back on.